Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, this is the next item we're going to take apart. You might recognize this. This sits on the side of a water heater that you probably seen me take apart in my other channel, but I will be doing another video of that shortly. But show you how to take these apart. I think I have everything I need. These are so simple to take apart. So simple. And get this off first. Take this. Get it in there. And then it shouldn't be on very tight. Shouldn't be. But it might make a liar out of me. Ah, there it goes. That one's off. Well, loosens. And then you come back with this one, just like that. Do the same thing. And it should come off by hand the rest of the way. This stuff you want to save. Now, I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but these right here, this right here, that's stainless. Just throw it into a bucket someplace and let it collect. And the fun begins. Finding the clips. And then, okay. That one's out. And then I'll do this one. It's easier if you do that when it's wire for your wire bucket, plastic. Okay, so this is the reason why I got this. So we're going to take that glove off. And it doesn't take very long to take these off. But you have to find one that actually fits. Now, I tried to do a video on this before, but the security bits that I had would not go down in there. Oh, it's in my hand. Duh! And then you just take that off. Now you're going to be surprised at what's actually in this. Didn't mean to get my hand so close to the camera. Just put it down just a little bit more, because I don't know what you guys are actually seeing. I think this is going to be the last one because my hand is starting to throb. Okay. Now, strap. Garbage. Actually, I think this is copper wire, but with some coating on it. But that's what's in here. Two bits. That's it. And then you got to take this cover off. But that's all that's in there. So, let's see here. I don't know if I'll be able to tell. Let's see here. So, I don't see anything else that's of value, but this is what I wanted to do. See the copper color? That's copper wire. So I'll put these into a bucket, wait until I get a whole bunch of them, and then take them apart. But yeah, this come on, hand, don't quit on me now. Almost done. Ow. But out of everything, this would be the fastest thing that you would take apart. This, I'm not sure, but I think is aluminum or stainless. But and then you got some little stuff that you have to worry about. But just take them out. That's it. And then you want to find yourself see if this will work. I have yet to take one of these little things out, so we're about to find out. Yep, just pop them out lightly with a hammer. And this should be brass. Should be. Don't know. Let's find out. But yep. See how it's not sticking? Watch very closely. Boop. That's brass. So you put a whole bunch of these into a bucket, you know, just clean off as much of it as you can. But that's brass. After you get a whole bunch of these, it actually adds up. So this will just stick up there. But yeah, so, and this is cast aluminum. You know, that's all that's in there. But this, probably a half a pound. So 2 of these would be a pound, somewhere around there. Maybe a little bit more. Like I said in my old videos, I am not a scale, and I'm bad at that. Oh, that's what I wanted to check, these things. So, aluminum. Put those in your aluminum bucket. Like I said, after a while these will add up, but they're very, very light, but they still add weight to it, you know. But yeah, this right here is the main one that you want, because this is the heaviest. So, and then, oh yeah, and then you got this little guy down here. I forgot about him. You know, you don't have to worry about breaking it because it's going right into the trash anyways. So, I'll just pull this guy out because that's brass too. But yeah, just pull this stuff back, bend it, pull that off. And like I said in my other video, ICPs, I think that they're called, take all those off, this IC chip, and leave everything else on. You know, this does not have gold on it, so just take all this little stuff off and that IC chip. Like I said, put it in a bucket, and then wait until you have a bunch of it, and then put it up for sale. That's it. That's all she wrote. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. So, but yeah, leave your comments below on what you think of the channel so far, and I'll bring out some more here soon. So as I always say, scrap it right, make that money. Peace. YouTube poke. Later, gators.